Hi community. We are currently in a rush due to major work on updating the system. One of the difficulties is to avoid errors in registrations, which still drag on from the first smart contract tactile, old name classic. Now we are transforming everything completely because we have a new stage and this is a completely new level. It is so happened that at the same time we were subjected to major attacks on several fronts at once. But we will not give up our positions. And those who attacked us will be very sorry, especially since there are forces on our side that our enemies do not suspect. For you, this is a temporary inconvenience. We will protect your resources in the long term. We will open the site and the entire system as soon as we are sure that we have provided for everything. Soon I will have good news for you.